I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes, yeah, but that's just life. So cross my heart and hope to die, baby.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to our day 3 of trek. So today we'll move from Balu ka Ghera and we'll go to Hampta Pass. So that pass is at around 14,100 feet, and total distance we covered from Balu ka Ghera will be around 7 kilometer. And due to the ascent and the snow climb and all, it will take around 4 hours. So trail, as we can see, it is alongside the river, so we have to move through the boulders for few patches, and after that we'll get the snow, and that ascent will be totally through the snow. Here on north we can see that snow patches are there, but along with that snow patches, rivers are also flowing beneath of that snow. We have to be very cautious here. Snow can be melt anytime and our legs can stuck in that patch, so we have to follow the trail and single line we have to maintain here. As we can see here, people are moving very cautiously, and that through this grip matters a lot. So we have to get a very good shoe for this type of trek. I would recommend Decathlon shoes because personally I used that Decathlon shoes and it worked properly there. Now from this patch onwards we have to move on snow only. We don't have any option to move through the boulders. So our journey will be throughout this snow. I would recommend people to wear sunglasses because of this sun rays and this snow white color. Sometimes people faces this snow blindness also. So I would recommend wear sunglasses and use stick pole. So let's enjoy the snow walk. Finally we reached to our summit. This is called Hampta Pass, a pass which connects two valleys, and this Hampta Pass connects Kullu Manali Valley to Lahore Spiti Valley. This is the 360-degree view of Hampta Pass. Thank you friends for watching this Hampta Pass series. Bye bye.